Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I went ahead and purchased my airbrush machine. First ever airbrush machine. And y'all gotta come along with me as I figure this thing out. I have been a nail tech going on 5 years and it took me a while to purchase this thing. I'm gonna give y'all some reasons why. It was really based off of others' opinions and them saying how it broke down on them. The smell is really strong, all that stuff. And I always just figured I could just try different techniques and get the same look until both of my clients came to me and said they did not like the way the ombre was looking. So I just went ahead and purchased it along with some of the diluted polishes to make things easier on myself. And I could take constructive criticism, especially when I see it, you see it, we see it, but I didn't think it was that bad. Until I looked at it and I was like, okay, the sponge does make it look kind of dotty and not really that pretty ombre effect. But we are not going to have those problems anymore. So right now, I'm really just trying to read the instructions to try to figure out how to piece this thing together. I finally ended up getting it, but I got it from me using my context clues and, playing around with the thing, not really reading the instructions because it wasn't really giving me any directions on how it's supposed to look or how it's supposed to go. The airbrush machine came with a few little extra plastic pieces. I read the instructions and it says it's for cleaning it, so I guess that's what I'm using for. The diluted polishes came with so many different colors, like, oh my goodness. And the first thing that clicked in my head was you can mix these colors and create other colors. So today I'm going to go ahead and pick up this like little orangey color because I want to try to ombre this sunset theme now. I didn't want to go straight for the big dogs and do black or blue or black and pink or something like that. I was twisting the bottle around trying to figure out why is it not coming out. The whole time you have to poke a needle in it in order for it to come out. If I would have read the directions, I would have figured that out. Here is my beautiful yellow nail. Now let me go ahead and load up my machine so we could get this show on the road. I'm giving it a little test run on my paper towel before I put it directly on the nail, just to see how I can control the pressure of it, if I need to back up, if I need to come closer, things like that. Now, when I first started spraying it on the nail, it was coming out a little spotty, and I was trying to figure out why. Usually I only see that when it's oil on the nail, like the way it was separating. Let me show it to y'all. It kind of discouraged me a little bit, but I was like, no, just go ahead and wipe it off and try it again. And it came out way better the second attempt, but I think the lightness of it, I really didn't like it, so I just went ahead and wiped it off. But then when I tried again, I was like, okay, it just might need like 2 coats, and it was good to go. And the second time I also did it farther back, so maybe the first time the mistake was I had a little too close. That second coat definitely did the job. Look how pretty that looks. Oh my goodness. After I was done using the machine, I just wanted to go ahead and attempt to clean it with some acetone. I seen on the instructions, it was telling me to pull the needle out, but mind y'all, the needle did not come out. So I just stopped yanking it. I was like, oh, just stop before I break the thing. I was just hoping me using the acetone and spraying it as if I was using it would just take all the residue off of the needle from the previous polish that I just used. And you definitely want to use a mask when you're using this airbrush machine because the fumes can become very strong. At this point, it just started blowing out air. So I was like, okay, I think I done got it all clean. I'm just going ahead and top coating the nail to give that final finish so I could get the real true effect of the nail. I thank you guys so much for coming along with me during this process. Do not forget to like the video, leave a comment down below how I did, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.